Hello, Raidi. How are you? You look very tired. What happened?
Oh, that's my hair, just my hair, just my hair, just my hair.
What? Sorry?
Just my hair, just my hair.
Your hair. I think you had a nap or what?
Okay.
How's your maths in school? Is it getting better now? You feel more confident? Whatever your teacher asks you, teach you, you know what's, you know, So that's good. You should aim for an A. I think you can get an A. So far, what do you get last year for P4? You passed, no?
Yeah, I passed by a little.
By little. Now you pass by a lot now. Then you teach your friends in school. Once you teach your friends in school, you'll get better and better and better. Let me see. I go and call the rest. There's no one else here. Why? Okay, let me see. Hold on.
Oh, yeah, Mr. Shahid, I also got to ask you. I need your
Yes.
help with some like
Question.
some question. Yeah.
Okay. You have a handphone to send me?
Yeah.
Okay. So I you know my number now. Okay, I send you my number
I
here.
already have your number.
You have, okay. So you send me. You take by WhatsApp. You send me.
Okay. Like it's like the question is like
Okay. Just hold on. Let me get the other side in. Who else?
never mind. There's your phone number.
You don't have my phone number. Okay. I write on the board here.
Okay.
Okay. So okay. Can you see? Yes. So Putri and Putra, just hold on, Just give me a moment. Are you able to see already? You took down already? Yes, sir. Okay, let me go and get the rest. I do not know where they are. Okay, just a moment, Who else is coming?
Wait, I need to do something for a while. Okay. Wait, can I do something for a while? I need to do something for a while. So.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Sure. Are both of you in the same room, Putri? Same room, side by side. Then how is? That's why I tried to mute this now. Uh, you don't have individual connection. If you have, it's better actually. But it's okay. Never mind. We try. Who else? Okay, we're gonna start soon, but oh yeah, what's the name? Shakriya. Okay, I received a photo. Let me see.
I don't know how to do those type of questions.
Okay, so I'm gonna. Alright, so now, okay. So Raidi has some questions. We will now go through of it. So the rest of you, if you also have questions you want to ask, no problem. This is from your book, your textbook, is it? Book. And this is which book are you using?
Um, the wait.
My pals are here, is it?
No, yeah, my transaction. Yeah.
And you're doing which topic? This one is fractions. Okay. All right. Come, we try this one. Okay, we try this first one here. Kavita wanted to buy a laptop. She saved 1/3 of the cost of the laptop in the first month. In the second month, she saved 125 less than what she saved in the first month. And she saved the remaining $525 in the third month. So how much did the laptop cost? So you know now down here, okay, when you do problem sum, the first thing you must do is you must understand the question. She wanted to buy a laptop, right? So she saved in month one. Okay, I put M1, month number one. This is what she saved in month number 1. Okay, this is 1/3. So if let's say we can have another 2 more of this, that's the price of the laptop. But in month number 2, she did not save the same amount. In fact, she saved less. And how much less? This is the amount. From here to here, this is 125. Okay, roughly like that. Okay, down here. This is roughly 125 from here to here. And month number 3, she is able to save the whole month, the same as the first month plus this thing. See, I'm going to draw a line like that. Huh? She saved this one also. So she have something like that. Huh? If I can push this here and then it will go just nice fit down here. So they tell us now that this is, you must first understand this model. Okay. So now what we're going to do? I have to draw on the board because I didn't draw properly. Okay, I draw on the board. Okay. Now there are 3 different parts here. Okay. So remember, she say in month number 1, this amount. Month number 2 was less. And this part is 125. Month number 3, this plus the 125. How do we know plus 125? Because they tell us by the 3rd month she saved the rest of it. All together is the laptop price, 3 units. Now, they say that she paid 525. If you look at the question, it says she saved the remaining $525 in the 3rd month. So 3rd month down here is 525. $525. If you want to find 1 unit, it's very simple. You take 525 minus 125. You see? Now I do this. 525 minus 125. What do you get? You get 400. So this 1 unit is 400. This one is 400 plus 125. This one is less $400 less 125 lah. If I put this 125 here, I get 400. So your important part is here. You can find what is 1 unit. 1 unit is 400. Now they ask you what is the laptop. The laptop is 3 times 3 units. 1 unit is 400. 3 unit is 400 times 3. 1,200. That's your answer. But some of you might be confused. Say, why must times 3? Yeah? So let us look at the question again. Let us look at the question again. Okay. Where is the question? Hold on. Hold on. Where is the question?
Mr. Syahid, in the M2, the one at the back is 25. Is it 25?
Yeah. Okay. We go one more time. Huh? So again, now down here. So down here now, you can see, right? What do they say? In the first month, she saved 1/3 of it. So I can draw another way. Okay, I can draw also another way. Yeah? This laptop, I can divide into 3 parts. First, in month 1. In month 2, he did not save the whole thing. Only up to here. This is month number 2. Month number 3 is down here. Down here is 125. And the whole thing he paid in the last month is 525. So 525 minus 125 give you 400. So this is 400. This is also 400. This 1 unit is also 400. How do we know? The question says, look at what the question says. The question says in the first month, she saved 1/3 of the cost. So this is 1/3 of the cost. So I times by 3 lah, I get the price of the laptop. How? Are you okay? Can you see? This one now is 1 month, 1/3 of it. So I times by 3 lah, because it's 1/3 what. The first month paid 1/3 only. First month paid 1/3. So you have another 2 more thirds what. But if you can find one unit is 1/3, this one is also 400, 400. So the price of the laptop is 1,200. How? Okay, Raidi, are you okay? Okay, we move on to the news topic. Later on, we'll go to the next question. Hello, Shafia. Welcome to tuition. Okay, here we go.
Wait. I wasn't ready.
Wasn't ready. Now, are you ready?
No, wait. I'm still copying that one, the model.
Okay, still copying the model. Okay, so you want, I can take a photo and send it to you. Okay, I'll take a photo and send it to you.
Thank you.
So if you all got questions, please ask. Okay, don't be shy. Why? Why is that important? Because when you ask a question, you will learn faster. You will master the maths faster. All right, here we go. We are starting a new topic called ratio. You have not done ratio. Some of you have done ratio. Some have not done ratio. Here we go. So here we go. All right, ratio. Putra, is that you, Putra? Yes. Okay, you look like a young man. I'm thinking it might be a 20-year-old man or something. No, Putra, you're okay, right? You're primary 5, right? Okay. So ratio, what is ratio? Ratio is actually the relationship between one number and another number. Okay, let's see. Let's say now, for example, okay, we ask Raidi, well, how much is in your wallet? So Raidi say, I got $10. And ask Putra, so Raidi lah, R. Ask Putra how much money you have. He says you got $5. Don't be sad, Putra. This is just an example. Okay. Now, you see what is the ratio of Raidi's money to Putra's money? It's 10 is to 5. That's all. But you can also reduce it. You can reduce, no? Both of them can divide by 5. As Putri says, then it becomes 2 is to 1. How you get 2 is to 1? 10 divided by 5 get 2. 5 divided by 5 get 1. So the ratio of Raidi's money to Putra's money is now 2 is to 1. This is in simplest form. That's all there is to ratio. Okay, that's simple. Okay, now we're going to go step by step. Okay, if you don't get it by this lesson, no worries. Inshallah, there'll be a repeat lah, next lesson, but a different set of worksheets. So you try now. You try. Okay, you try question number 1A and then 1B. So then you send your answers to me. You can message the answers by the chat.
Can I say it?
No, cannot. Once you say it, everyone will get it. Why must you be given special treatment because of that? I know you don't like to type. Then you WhatsApp me lah, mister. WhatsApp me, okay? Otherwise, the rest all, once you try the answer, they get frustrated lah.
Answer.
Okay, you send already. Allahu Akbar, very fast, this boy. Okay. No, so you must use the colon mark like that. You know the colon mark. The colon mark. There's this mark down here, like that. Like this. No problem. What's the next one now? Okay, you can't find that mark in that mark. You can.
Is it correct, sir?
Correct. Yes. Okay, Putri, yes, well done. What about Raidi and Putra? Putra, you and sister are having the same. You're gonna have different answers, what? Different, right? How are you gonna type? I thought you're gonna have 2 different laptop or something. Okay, so we count down here lah, down here. Raidi, how many triangles are there? Raidi, 2.5. Okay.
There
Okay, don't divide by 5 when you cannot get a whole number. Okay, we try. Okay, so down here you get 5 triangles. Then you got 7. That's it lah. Okay, down here already you can see there's 5 down here. Down here there's 7. Then what about the other way around? Squares to triangles, reverse lah. So now 7 to 5.
Oh, okay, I understand now.
Okay, yeah. All right. So you move on to the next one now. Move on to the next one. Let us try. Where is Shafia? Shafia, you understand Shafia? Shafia, turn on your video, Shafia. Why you not turning on your video? Once you don't turn on your video, others will also follow. Okay, unless you have a good reason now. You get good reason, like the other day, your sister was falling tuition when she was on Singapore Flyer. Okay lah, that's a good reason lah. So rightly, they didn't say to all the squares, but the unshaded squares. To the unshaded squares. So, Putri, let's see. Okay, Putri, your answer is correct. What about Putra? Will he be sending answers also? Yeah. Akil, can Akil? So far, Putri has gotten the right answer. We are waiting for the rest. So while we wait for the rest, we'll give Putri some mental sums to do.
Wait, Joe, wait.
Yeah. For Putri lah, for Putri. Okay, Putri, you try to do this mentally, okay?
Is that correct? Counted them.
Well, no, because you didn't answer the question. Okay. Okay, never mind, Putri, later I'll tell you. Okay, so Akil, all right. Akil, number is wrong, huh? The first number is wrong. Okay, we ask Shafia, how many shaded squares are there? Shaded squares, how many? Shafia.
No.
12. 12. How you get 12? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now shaded squares 9, we write 9 down here. Shaded squares to what? Unshaded. So unshaded, let us see how many now. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4, 16. So 9 is to 16. You get it? Not to the total. Righty, you give to the total number of squares. They didn't ask you for all the squares. It's unshaded. Now they ask you from unshaded to shaded, same thing as 16 is to 9.
9.
Yeah, easy, yeah? Okay, so you all need to get it. If you don't get it, you must tell me now. Anyone don't get it? All get it, huh? So now we move on to the next one and clear this thing again. Now we have this. Write the ratio. Putra, are you okay, Putra? You understand? Understand? They say bunches, they don't ask you for how many rambutans, bunches. You know what's bunch, right?
Yeah.
This is one bunch. One bunch.
Yeah, so am I correct?
Can I see the answer?
Am I correct?
No. Don't say the answer.
Am I correct?
Okay, okay, let me check. Yeah. Okay, Putri correct, Raidi correct. We are waiting for Akil. Akil, just type in Akil. So when you say the answer, I tell you right or wrong, the rest will be.
Wait, answer.
What about si Shafia? Shafia, what's your answer, Shafia? Okay, Putra, okay, good. The other way around also, Putra. Okay, Akil, good. Kafia, you have not answered. Good. Okay. So now,
Is it correct, sir?
correct. Well done. All of you got it correct. So now, how to write it? You must write it like that. Okay. 2 because there's 1, 2, right? Then now here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 2 is to 5. Now this thing in between is like that. Dot, dot, like that. It's called a colon. So now if from bananas to rambutan is 5 is to 2. Okay, you do the next one. Do the next one below that. Okay, very quickly because we gonna move on. Now I'm worried that Naomi won't be able to get it.
Do number what?
Number B. This one now there was a problem lah. Okay, can. Never mind. Why they going to give this way? Okay, I'm going to cancel this
sure.
one.
Sure, this one 4 is to 1, you know.
Okay, can I just remove this? Okay, you go by the number of flowers to butterfly. Okay.
Oh, because he put 1 unit.
Now because they put 1 unit, but never mind. If you will.
So need to count the number of flowers. And
yes, and the butterfly. Book. Okay. Yeah, how many you have down here?
Is it correct, sir?
No, down here berapa butterfly ni? Butterfly.
3 lah, sir.
Then you write 2.
Got that one, I got 2. No, got 3. Got 3.
Okay, now can you reduce it? Can you reduce? If we say 12 is to whatever, can both numbers be divided by 3?
Yes, found the answer.
So, yes. Okay, Putra, well done. You'll find that your original answer that's now at first is the same. Right? So, where is Aki? I don't see Shafia. Shafia, how many flowers are there, Shafia? How many?
1, 2.
1, 2, 12. How many butterflies are there, Shafia? 3. So now both of them, Shafia, can divide by 3. 12 can divide by 3. How much you get? 4. 3 divided by 3, 1. So actually, it's the same that we use like 1 unit like that. No, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is to 1. So the other one is 1 is to 4. All okay, right? I think all okay, right? Yeah, Righty, you understand, Righty? Can both divide by 3, yeah? Righty, you get it now? Okay, now we move on to the next one. Okay, it will get tougher and tougher lah. So you must understand the basics, okay? Yes, must be simplified, yes. Must be brought to simplest forms.
Teacher, where's the pencil?
Then this one, mechanical
The
pencil.
one you mentioned.
This one pencil, a mechanical pencil. This one. Shafia, can do not,
This
Shafia?
is a trick question, sir. I saw the
Trick
trick
question.
already. I already saw the trick. I saw the trick.
So why do you say it's a trick?
The first answer, can I say it?
No, cannot say. We must. Everyone is typing in.
Then this
You
one
type
can
in.
see I saw 9 is 13 this one. Huh? You put
Okay,
9 is
okay.
13
No.
this one.
Okay, never mind. That one you can type. No problem. Friday, your answer is not correct. Yeah. So from year to year, you check from year to year. Where's Akil? Okay, Akil, what's the answer you say? Akil, what's the answer? First one is what?
Mia.
Yeah, you.
Oh.
Yes, you.
9 is to 13.
So what's the answer? 9 is to 13. So let us see, yeah. Yes. So from year to year is 9 cm. That is for the stapler. From year to year is 13 cm. So 9 to 13. Is stapler to pencil to stapler 13 to 9. Is that simple? Okay, can we go to B? I know you might be a little bored with this one, not so easy, so easy. Okay, no problem, but later you might get tougher and tougher. You try now the next one, the next two. Yeah, well done. Shafia can do that, Shafia. Type now, Shafia, type. Why are you not typing?
Teacher.
Yeah, you.
What is the length of the pencil?
There's no 9. Hey, 13. Over
What
already.
are we going?
Over.
Wait, are we
Now
going
you
to do B or C?
both.
Sir, I don't know how to do, sir.
Do B first, ah.
Okay, wait. How is
15
this? I also
seconds.
don't know.
Now down here, there. I underline for you. Oh, sorry. All right, let's see.
May I say the answer?
Cannot lah. Why you want to say the answer? We're waiting. Because like Shafia has not sent at all. I'm very worried.
So tired. I'll keep doing privately.
You can send to everyone, no problem. Okay, so I think more or less all of you all understand. Okay, we ask Shakil. Shakil, what's your answer for B? Ratio of Samuel to Terence.
What? What,
B. This question. Yeah.
Is it the first 15 is to 11?
So 15 is to 11, and the next one?
11.
11.
This one takes 11 is to 15.
Okay, well done. Okay, we ask now Shafia. C, Shafia. Mr. Ahmad sells 8 kg of potatoes, 5 kg onions. Ratio of potatoes to onions, Shafia. What is to what? Shafia, are you there? Potatoes to onions. Potatoes to onions. What is to what? Potatoes to onions. 8 is to 5. And then now down here, onions to potatoes. Onions to potatoes. 5 is to 8. Easy, yeah? It's all so easy. So please, you must be able to make it, okay? Now we are going to increase the speed now. All right. You try now. You try. Question number 4.
Sir, so the books we need to count, sir.
Yeah, this one now down here, this one is the unit.
Okay, so
How many unit? You want me to label for you?
No need, no need.
No need, huh? No need. Okay. No need. Fast, huh?
When
Yeah.
I say label it, I was confused.
Confused. Our label
Label
yeah.
for me is a label.
So yeah, poetry, yes, you call it is to lah. All right. That means we say how many is to how many.
So it's 9:4.
If you say 9 is to 4, 4 is to 9,
You
to
hear it? Oh, sorry, I forgot to read.
tell everyone the answer. It's okay lah. Sometimes it's like winning a prize. So up to here is 9, right? Okay. So the answer ratio height of the cupboard 9 according to Mr. Akil. The shelf is 4. Okay, and then shelf to the thing is 4 is to 9. Now this next one, total height of the shelf and cupboard. How many units? Miss Putri says 13. How did Putri get 13? From here to here is 9. Here to here is 4. So she take 9 plus 4, 13. She is correct. Is to shelf is 4. 4. So you must read what the question is saying. Question saying total height of the shelf and the cupboard, you must add both of them. Then to the shelf. Shelf is 4. 4. Are you confused here? Okay, all okay. So this one 4 is to 13. Okay, next 4 to 13 or 4 is to 9. Ratio of the height cupboard and height of the cupboard. Height of cupboard. Oh yes.
9 to 13.
Yes, well done, well done. Thanks for correcting me. So now they say ratio of the height of the cupboard. Cupboard is 9. You must put 9 over here. To the height, total height of the cupboard and shelf. So now 9 is to 30. Well done, well done, well done. Easy, yeah? Okay, now why we start easy so that everyone understand. Now everyone understand, right? I hope so. So never mind, we move on to the next one. No need to draw model, no need to draw model. No. Now we move to like this type of sums. You must read very carefully. Okay, what is the ratio they want you to write? Find the ratio of the amount of money Linda received to the amount of money Diane received. That's it. Very simple.
Che, this one
Yeah,
issue
yeah.
what, Che? This one
Ratio,
issue
ratio.
what?
Ratio ya, ratio. Kenapa bukan ratio?
Don't have another sign what?
No, she
Yeah,
gave.
I don't know this actually.
Don't give up. Don't give up. Okay, we read it carefully. We read it
I don't know.
carefully.
Serious, I don't.
Don't give up. Don't give up. From your voice and that. Okay,
I have to do.
yeah. Okay, we go through it. Now Dato gave $35 to 2 persons. Linda received $19. So how much did Diane receive? Altogether, they both received $35 together. Both of them together received 35. Linda received 19. Can you find how much Diane received? Can what? Can you find? Total received 35. You can find Diane. Okay, we see whether the rest can get it. Huh? Okay, one person says 19 is to 27. Another one says 19 is to 16. Which one is the right one? Another one says 19 is to 35. So the 19 seems to be correct. So now you must understand what they are telling you here. Dato gave $35 to both of them. So Linda has how much? Linda has $19. Okay. Diane, how much? Diane, how much? You must find out. I say, I don't know, Diane. I cannot do. I don't know. Yeah, but both of them, if when you plus together, you get 35, you know. Both of them get $35. Can you find Diane? Can 35 minus 19, how much you get?
I know.
How much?
16.
16, yes. So this is 16. So they get 16. So what is the ratio of Linda? Linda is 19. Is 2. You write like that. Dot, like that is to 16. Cannot reduce. Because you want to diet. So Akil, you get it, Akil? You must read carefully, yeah? Sometimes they tell you grandpa already give to
Sir,
both.
I really
Yeah.
confused with units.
Units, this one is not units, this one is money.
Then
So
this
now
one
down here,
L equals to
imagine
19, B
Dato
equals to
gave
35
to
minus
you.
19. The one units one. Huh?
No, this dollars lah. When we write the number, normally we don't write the units. We just write that. I can write like that if you want me to write like that. Okay, I write like that now. But normally number sentence, they don't write this, no. Only they
What
write
do
it
you
at the end.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, normally they okay, can huh? All right, I'm gonna move on to the next one now. Shafia, I hope you're okay. Shafia, are you okay, Shafia? Shafia, you're looking at something else. Are you okay? You understand, Shafia? Cik Pia. Cik Pia, kenapa begitu Cik Pia? Okay, you try then. I'm gonna remove all this. So Akil, you got to find how much is the capacity of tank B, because it's not 4, no? It's not 4. You must read carefully. Okay, we have the first one. Congratulations to Mr. Riley and Ms. Putri. Okay, to help the rest, huh? If the rest are confused, what's the capacity you write? What's the capacity? Yes, Riley. Just say it out now. What's your question?
Are we
Can we
going?
ask
Are we going to
okay,
have?
Putra, well done.
Are we going to have any Kahoot this year? Or
Anyone?
any Kahoot?
Anyone?
Kahoot,
Kahoot, what is Kahoot?
K-A-H-P-O-O-T.
Like the quiz where to know your knowledge, that one. Like
The
what's
quiz at the game, the game that you give some questions in the app.
so you know whether they were paying attention or not, and then whether they
Okay,
understand.
I must find out how to use the. Okay, inshallah. I'm going to design that. So down here, 7 liters. Do not write this. Some of you write this. Then you say your answer 7 is to 4. That means you did not read carefully. Those who write like that, you did not read carefully. Why? Because they tell you down here, tank B is capacity is greater, more. How can it be less down here if it's more? 4 more means 7 plus 4. You must 7 plus 4, what do you get? You must add on and find out. You must plus 7 here. Then you get 11. Oh, no wonder lah, 7 and 11. Okay, so in that case, the answer is 7 is to 11. All right, easy, huh? Easy, huh, everyone? I'm sure it's quite easy. So we are moving on to the next one. Kahoot, I got a fun. 7 is to 11 because tank B is 11 one capacity. Okay, so now we're going to find equivalent ratio. Okay, here we go. No, we are not going to do this one. Let us try. Can you try this one? Very quickly lah. Number of stars to number of hearts. Number of stars to number of hearts. The top one, number of stars to number of hearts. Okay, it's too easy lah. This one, maybe I'm moving too slow. I cannot be moving too slow. Otherwise, I myself get bored. Okay, righty, well done, but you got to bring it to lowest terms. You got to bring it to lowest terms. Let's see how many of you have brought it to lowest terms. Putra, yeah, you got to bring it to lowest terms, Putra. But how come Putra is not correct? You got to check, yeah. Righty, you can still bring it lower than that. Putri, Putra, please check. Akil and apa? Akil and Asta.
Sir, is it 16 is to 20?
Hold on, Yeah, what?
Is it 16 is to 20?
Yeah, 16 to 20. Well done, well done.
Oh, well done, well done. Okay.
So, okay, so down here, 16 to 20. Well done. But can you reduce not? Akil, can you reduce not? Akil, can you reduce not? Akil,
yeah.
can you?
Yeah,
divide by what?
Divided by
what?
2.
Divide by 2, okay. You get 8 is to 10. Can divide by 2 some more?
Yes.
So what do you get?
You got upper 4 out of 8 out of 5.
That's your answer. Okay. So you got to reduce, all right? All right, here we go. I forgot one student. I forgot one more student. I forgot to contact. Okay, you try this one.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow, so many. Let us see, yeah. Okay, Putra says, congratulations, Putra. It's the same answer.
Sure. What paper you give, sir?
This is
I don't even see anything.
Huh? What do you mean? You cannot see the paper?
Where? I only see your face.
Are you sure? The rest are seeing? The rest can see the paper? Now you can see the paper, Akil?
No.
You are pressing the wrong button. You go and press view. Go and press view.
What is view?
Sure. You legit just gave out the answer.
Yes.
Dapat.
Yeah, now it's okay.
I only saw your face.
Dapat, huh? Okay, so now down here. Now I can see the screen. Hello? Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4. You can say it's 4 is to 5.
Sure. Should I
So
count the
you can
stars or what?
Yes. Okay, so now down here, you can, those of you count the stars, you will realize later you need to reduce. So you can count the groups.
Yeah, that's easier.
Yes. Easier that way, yeah. If you count the stars, you will get how many? 16 is to 20. And then you have to divide by 4. When you divide by 4, you get 4 is to 5. So you count the group is easier for you. You don't need to divide anymore. All right, we move on. We'll move on. Okay, I hope you can see me. You can see the screen. Okay, this one's all easy. Now we come to this. Can you try question number 4? You are supposed to bring it to simplest form. So the first one, let's say, just for the first one, we go through, we ask Putri, Putri, what do we do with this? What? This one is 1, this one is another one. So how? What's the answer down here? Both can divide by 3. So I divide by 3, I divide by 3. Yes, I get 3 is to 8. 8. Yeah, okay. So now cannot divide anymore. That's your answer. Okay, so you try for the rest. Okay, this is the same thing. You are practicing this already. Okay, you're practicing this. So you ask yourself what number can be divided. Wow. Okay, well done, Shafia, just now. Yes, well done, Shafia. Now we are moving to B, C, and D, yeah? So for Raidi correct for B, Raidi for C. For C, can reduce some more, Raidi. Putra, well done for B. What about Putri? Putri is not here. Ready for C. Dana. C is correct, ready. Ready, the last one can be reduced further. Putri, well done for B. Putra, well done for C. Shafia, well done for B. Putri, well done for C. Raidi, well done for D. You're waiting for Akil. The name Akil is not
Sabar, sabar. Wait. Jap.
okay.
Done.
Okay. Okay, now you tell the answer now. B, what's the answer for B?
2:5.
Well done. C?
C is wait. 10:18.
Can still divide by 2?
Can still divide by 2. I so don't know.
Divide by 2 tell me.
Wait, je. 5:9.
Okay, then the last one?
The 5 is 9:12.
Can still divide by 3?
Wait. And 3:4.
Okay, well done. So you must divide until you cannot divide anymore. All right, so let us move on to the next one. So it's going to get a little bit more and more. Wow. Okay, let's try, yeah? Okay, this one now.
I don't know how to do this since I was small.
Okay, don't worry. Since you're small. Okay, now. So now, let's say now. There's now one of them. Let's say we look at one of them. I give, let's say, 8. 8 is to 20. Now, you can reduce, right? You can divide by 2, you get 4. Divide by 2, you get 10. And some people say, I don't want. I want to divide in simplest form. Divide by 4, I get 2. Divide by 4, I get 5. You have one of these. Now, if let's say they give you this question, this one, you know, you must give your answer in simplest form. But sometimes they might give you like that. When they give you like that, what does it mean? It means they want you to reduce the 8 to 4. So you must ask yourself, divide by what? Oh, divide by 2 lah. Then you must do the same to the 20. Divide by 2 also. Then you get 10. Akil, you get it, Akil? You see it down here. If they give you the question like this, so they ask you what number must you divide 8 by to get 4. So divide by 2. Then if that's the case, this one must divide by 2 also. So now we try.
Divide by 5 je. 10.
Divide by
5. 3 is to 5.
So 3 is to 5. You all agree? The rest agree? All the rest agree?
No. 4.
4. Ready? You nodding your head? Okay, let us see. First, you divide by 5. 15 divide by 5. Then this one also must divide by 5. You get 4. Correct, huh? Okay, test you one by one, huh? Now we start with Shafia. Shafia. Shafia, Shafia. Shafia. Hold on, Shafia. Hold on. Shafia, what's the answer for this one, Shafia? You have 10 seconds to give. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Shafia, what's the answer for Shafia? 2, 1. Shafia, what's the answer, Shafia?
3 out of 6.
What? 6? Yes, okay. Now, how do you get? So down here, you divide by what? Divide by 2. So you divide by 2. So here you get 6. All right. Okay, now the next one. The next one. Okay. Next one. Now we're gonna ask Raidi lah, Raidi. Raidi, yeah. Okay, Raidi. Raidi in 10 seconds. 9, 8. 8 ah? You divide by what down here?
Wait, let me check. 3.
Divide by 3. So divide by 3 also. Is it correct?
Yes.
Correct. Correct, huh? Okay, so now we ask now Putra. Are you ready, Putra? Putra, don't look at your sister. Putra, here, Putra. Look here. Don't look at her. Don't look at her. Okay, are you ready, Putra? Because I'm going to give her a difficult one. Okay. Ready, yeah? Wait, hold on. Let me see, Let me see. Okay, Putra. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5.
5 to 6.
4
4 to 6.
4 to 6. Let us see whether correct. You divide 20 by what to get 4?
You can divide by 5.
Correct.
You divide 5. So you divide by 5 also. Okay, now we're gonna ask Shakil. I asked you already, right? Have I asked you, Shakil?
Finally, you don't even ask me. Finally. Don't even ask me a question. Don't ask me a question, please.
Okay. Now, Shakil, your turn now, Shakil.
I don't want. That's
Shakil.
Why is 2 3? I also don't know.
No, down here, 2. You see the first one, right? First
20
one.
is to 30.
So 2 to 20. Times what? That's now we divide, now we times.
Oh, times 2. What?
2 times 2, 4.
Times
Boleh lah.
10.
Times 10, okay. So 3 times?
Actually, I don't know actually.
3 times
10 equals to 30.
10, so 30, yes. Okay, we try now on the next one. We're going to ask, Shalina, can I ask you, you try again? Shalina, next time you just come in, okay? Just come in. Don't wait for me to give you permission. Just come in. Okay, because I'm sometimes busy for morning. I was messaging some parents and then I missed your mother's thing. So sorry. So Shalina down here now, we are, because Shalina means the first part. Okay, never mind. Shalina, what number do you divide 10 by? The rest don't tell, to get 5. Divide by?
5.
Divide by 2. 10 divide by 2 get 5. So this one you divide by 2. What do you get?
10.
10. Okay. Shalina, you sound different. Now we're going to
divide
ask.
by 5 also, right, Che?
If you divide by 5, you get 2 down here. But this one is not 2. They give you 5. Now the question is give you like that, you know. Okay, the question they give you like that. They want 10 to divide by what to get 5. So you must divide by 2. Okay.
You got 5.
Okay.
Then 20 got 10.
Now we're going to ask Kakak. Okay, let's see whether Kakak can do it. Kakak, ready Kakak? Kak, ready not, Kak? Can she do not? How come she's laughing? Anyone can try also, but we leave Kakak another 10 seconds. Okay, I must give the tougher one because otherwise I give so easy, she's bored, you know. Raidi is wondering what is the word. Can kakak? Can not? Putri? Okay. Now let you have a secret down here, okay? Down here you reduce to lowest. Kakak, you tell me, Putri, you tell me. Make it to lowest simplest form. So this one divide by, both of them can divide by 10. Divide by 10. So you get 1 is to 2. Now from here, can you times, you see now, you divide here now times what to get 3? 1 times what to get 3?
Times 3. Times 3.
Then this one times 3, so you get?
6. 6.
6. So do you all get it, huh? Do you get it, huh? So sometimes you need to reduce to lowest terms and then you expand. Sometimes it cannot be seen clearly. But you see, if I reduce this, divide by 3, I get 1. I divide by 3, I get 2. So it's the same thing. This is called equivalent fractions. Equivalent ratio. It's something like equivalent fractions. Okay, Shalina, don't feel lost, okay? Don't worry, I will arrange something for you to catch up, okay? But next time, just come in earlier. Yes, Raidi?
Can you give me one more?
Yeah, we're going to have it now. Now we're going to have it. Okay. So now you are going to try question number C, D, E, F. Can you try, please? So while you all do, I have to explain to Shalina. Shalina. Okay, you see what the rest. Just continue. Okay. This is called ratio. This is called ratio. It's something
Sir, I
new.
know ratio, but which one is the paper?
How come you cannot see the paper? The rest can see the paper. And your view, like you press your view.
I only can see your face.
You press view.
What in the world is you? What's you? So I say you.
No. You ask someone in your family to teach you to how to use the thing. There is a view. Are you using a laptop or handphone?
Handphone.
Handphone, okay. Handphone. Ya Allah, hold on. Okay, you go to anyone using handphone or not? There. Where can you get the view? The thing is on the top left corner or top right corner or bottom left corner. You try one of the corner. Or yours, you can just switch it with the dots lah. I do not know whether you get it. Okay, I will write it on the board.
I tekan. Yeah, I got it. I saw you.
You got it, right?
I only saw you.
Okay, okay, well done. Okay, now you quickly chase lah, because the rest are. Hold on. Let me just check one by one now. What is it? Just hold on. So.
Teacher, can you at least do C?
Okay, I will do C then. Okay, Shalina. Okay, you tell me now, Shalina. This is called ratio. 8. How can we make it 16? What must we do? We must times by, Shalina. 2. So the same thing you do to 11. 11 times 2 give you? 11 times 2 give you? Shalina.
Wait. Sure. I think I know.
22.
2 rabbits here.
Okay.
2 rabbits here.
So the same thing. Now down here, the next one, okay, I'm going to go run through one by one. Now this one, we go backwards.
Can divide it.
4.
Can divide by 2.
Divide by 2. So do the same thing to 8. When you do the same thing to 8, you get 18. 18, sorry. 18 divided by 2, you get what? 9, not 6.
9.
Okay, 9. Okay. Now we ask Shalina again. Shalina, come. 6, how do you get to 30? Times what?
Times what?
Times 5.
Times 5. So you do the same thing for 7. 7 times 5, what do you get?
35.
35. Well done.
Yes.
Now we ask Shafia. Shafia, this is first, second. Second one now, 28. How to go back to get 4? Divide by 28, divide by 28, divide by what? Anyone knows?
Two.
Divide by 2. Cannot now. Divide by 7, yes. So now you divide 21 by 7 also.
Wow.
What do you get? 21 divided by 7? 3. All right.
3.
Is it okay not?
Huh?
All right. Are you all okay?
Yes.
Are you all okay not? Can
Yes.
Okay. But I'm afraid now once I show you the paper again,
What
one
people?
of you say you can only see my face. Now the worksheet. Hold on
What people?
Akil, can you see the worksheet or not? There. Okay. That's why I tell you now. Do the same thing you did just now.
Okay,
Go and do the same thing.
6.
You try question G and H. G and H.
Sure. G can divide by 2, right?
G divide by 2. Why you divide by 2? Not enough lah. From 9, from 36, how to divide by what to get 9? Or you don't know 9 times what equals 36?
Yeah.
Times what?
4.
4. Good. Then you divide this by 4.
That's
This
how.
got to divide by 4, 28. So you get it?
Done.
You get it?
Both of them done.
I get it.
Okay, good.
So both of them done.
So you try?
Please check mine. I don't know whether I'm correct or wrong.
Okay, I will check. Hold on. Who's sound? Akil. Okay, here we go. We are going to run through now. I'm going to check all your answers now in terms of here. Okay, we see correct. All right, for G, Ridey says, okay, Ridey is correct for G. For H, Ridey say is Ridey is correct. Well done. For Putra is correct. Putri, both correct. Shalina, correct. Shalina, H. Here, we are waiting for the rest. Those who have not done. So for the first one, very simple. Akil, 36 divided by 4 get 9. 28 divided by 4 get 7. All right. What about the next one now? Let's say Putra, 5. Okay. All right, correct. So down here to here, you divide by what? Divide by 8. So this one you divide by 8. So how much you get?
5.
5. Okay. So you all know how to do it? Easy, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so now we move on to the next one.
Okay.
Okay. Hold on. I give you just like that.
What do you
Down here. If you need to use the calculator, please use a calculator, no problem. If you need to use a calculator, please use a calculator, no problem.
Sure. I'ma just do it long way. I don't care.
Long way.
Yes, long way.
Yeah.
Long way.
You can send the answers. Shalina, are you okay, Shalina?
Never mind. I'm going to just use a calculator.
Yeah, you can use the calculator, no issues. So long as the important thing is you know how to use this. Well done to Putri. Well done for question C. Anyone else? Righty, you didn't do C and D. You do E straight.
Yeah, by accident, my bad.
Okay, okay. All right, correct. E is correct. Putri, let's see. Congratulations, Putri. E is correct. Righty for C, correct. What about the rest? Shalina and Akil and Shafia and Putra. Putra, you know what to do,
It's
Putra?
my brother.
Yes, huh? Yes, I know he's your brother. But don't teach your brother. Don't teach your brother. Don't teach your brother. Okay? Yeah, okay. Akil, please carry on. Those who need to go toilet, don't teach your brother. Okay, because I need to check to know what he knows, what he doesn't know. Well done, Righty. Shalina, what about you, Shalina? You know what to do, Shalina? Yeah, no problem to Akil. Okay, if you need to go toilet and you're waiting for me to give permission, just go to toilet. Okay, the worst thing is to have your room full of urine. Let us see the next one. Congratulations, Putri, for question E. Shalina for question C, correct? We are waiting for a very shy girl. I think she's shy, but I'm not too sure. Shafia, what's your answer, Shafia? For any one of them, please try. Okay, let me see. Okay, congratulations to Raidi. For F, well done. Shafia, how Shafia? Okay, Putri, correct? Well done. For F, Raidi has gone to G. What about Shalina? Okay, well done to Raidi for G. Shalina, what about number D, Shalina? You know how to do for D? Are you there, Shalina? So from 36, how you get 3? Divide by what to get 3? If you do not know, use a calculator. 36 divided by 3, then you get a number. All right? Those of you who do not know how to get the number, okay, we go one by one. If you have a calculator with you, that's good. Okay, now you have this number here, 6 going to 2. So 6 divided by what? So you divide 2 by divide this by 2, you get 3. So 6 divided by 3, you get 2. So divide by 3, you also get the answer here. So same thing. If from 36 to 3 or 3 to 36, up to you. Some of you prefer divide, some of you prefer times. So, but the correct way down here is from 3 to go to 36. You times by what? Oh, I must times by, I do not know. Then take 36 divided by 3, what do you get? You'll get 12. So you times by 12. So that means 8 times 12 also, you get 96. So you must find the number, okay? Find a number while I now check for the rest. Shalina for D, well done for D. Shafia, you must times by 12. Shafia, 8 down here must times by 12. Then you get 96.
My H correct.
12 is the number you divide or times by, okay? When you take them, you get the number to divide or times by. Okay, what about Raidi? Raidi, finish here. Okay, let us see, yeah. And Raidi and Putra, you understand, Putra? You take 36 divided by 3, you get 12. So now 8 must times 12, you get 96, not 72. Okay. Just a moment. We are going to check. What about Putri? What about your last one? Okay, we're going to go through all of them.
I already typed.
Okay, congratulations, yours is correct. All right. Okay, now we're going to go through the next one now. So same thing. Those of you who are stuck now, you do not know what to do. Okay, ask yourself. This one will be related to the first one. This one to the second one. So you must say 280 to 7. You divide by what to get 7? If you don't know, just divide by 7. You get 40. 440. 40. So you divide by 40, yeah? So 240 divided by 40, you get? 6, huh? See down here, you must also divide this by 40, yes. If you're not so sure, you can cancel it now. But anyway, from here now, from 10, how do you get 190? You times by 10 times 1 equals 190. 19. If you don't know, you take 119 and divide by 10, you get answer. So this one must also times by 19. And you will get, what's your answer, Raidi, for this one?
133.
My answer for that one is 133.
Yes, well done. So now the same thing now for the next one now. From 2, you sometimes by what? If you don't know, take 48 divided by 2. Putra, you know or not, Putra?
24.
24, good. So 11 times 24, what do you get?
264.
264.
264.
Yes. Now the same thing. 252 to become 9. You divide by
5.
5. Cannot be. Oh, your answer is 5, is it?
No.
252 divided by 9. What's your answer?
28.
28, yes. So now 112 divided by 28. What's your answer?
14. Oh.
So 4, not 14, 4.
Eh?
So now this is called equivalent ratios. Okay. So we'll move on. We only got 15 minutes left. We will have a similar session next week. But okay. Now you try this one. Okay, the 6th question. Okay. Same thing. This is the same thing. You should be able to do this. Maybe I'll ask you the 8th question. Shalina, are you okay, Shalina? You understand, Shalina? Shalina, you understand? Yes, huh? Oh, who is that? Okay, for H. This is Raidi. Oh, so fast already. He's the fastest guy. No, never mind. You just put H. No problem. Put H, what's your answer? E. Okay, no problem.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, Raidi, both correct. Putri, both first one correct. Putra also correct. Both correct. For H. Go for E then. Ready, correct. Ready for S. Putri correct. For E. Yeah, go toilet, please. Don't wait. Go. Correct. Putri for S. Ready, just a moment for that one. Shalina, well done for H. Let me see. Right here. Okay, correct. Ready for D. Ready? Okay for A. Correct for A. Putri for Putri correct also for D.
That's all the above ones.
What? Sorry?
Wait.
Putra correct for E. Righty. Righty correct for W. Okay. Let me see. Putra correct for S. Putri, I think correct for, yeah, correct for W. What about the rest? About the rest? Okay, I'm going to go through the earlier parts so that we do not miss out. Those of you who are stuck, not so sure, okay, please have a look. So from here, you times by 5. So you times by 5, you get 20. From here, you times by 4, or divide by 4. Down here, you divide by 4, you get 12. Okay, down here now, from where? From here to 9, you divide by 5. So this one, you divide by 5, you get 15. Down here from 3 to 39, you times by 13. So 8 times 13, what do you get? You get 104. Now from 7 to 63, you times by 9. Times 9, So 4 times 9, you get
36.
Well done. And then we go to the next one. Okay, 9. So 72 divided by 8.
Times.
Divide by 8, right? No, sorry.
8, yeah.
9 times 8. 9 times 8, 9 times 8, because we are going this way. So times 8 equals to 72. 14 times 8 equals to 112. All right, the next one now. This one, 8 to 96, you times by 12, I think. So times by 12, you get 121. Am I correct?
132.
132.
132. 11 times 12, 132. Yes, correct, 132. Then 7 times 12, you get 84. This one you times by 12, you get 108. So now, this is supposed to be easy. If you find you do not know what's happening, can you just message me or ask your mother to message me? But let me ask you one by one. So far, Raidi, okay so far for this one? Putri, okay?
Okay.
Putri, okay. What about Putra? Are you all right? Putra, Ken. Sharina, you just came, so it's a little bit shaky. I need to revise with you. Akil and Shafia. Akil is in the toilet. Okay, Shafia, also toilet also. How come they're both in the same toilet? Different house. Okay, but anyway, this is now we got 9 more. You try this one. Comparing 3 quantities. Okay, cats to rabbits to hamsters. Cats to rabbits to hamsters. Cats to rabbits to hamsters. You got 2 answers now so far. Remember, your answers need to be in simplest form. Huh? This ID, then you tell me wait. How come you send me answer? You ask me to wait. Funny guy. Huh?
That's what you said.
Cats. All right, we have the first one by Miss Putri. Putri, congratulations, Miss Putri.
Is my answer correct? Or is it wrong?
But your first answer, yeah, but you have to reduce it to lower terms.
Oh, okay.
Congratulations, Putra. Ready? Congratulations. Shalina, you can do by grouping them. Shalina, you can do by grouping them. See, one group. So cat, you can put one group. How many groups are there here? Rabbits, Shalina. How many groups? Two. And how many groups of rabbits?
3.
How many groups, Shalina?
3.
Okay. Shalina, you sound different sometimes. Shalina. Okay, but it's okay. 3. 1, 2, 3. Then if you want to count, can, no problem. When you count, you get 5 is to what? 10 is to 15.
Yes.
But when you bring to lowest terms,
You can divide it by 10.
you still divide by 5. Divide by 5. Divide by 5, you get 1. Divide by 5, you get 2. Divide by 5, you get 3.
Why?
Yeah, divide by 5, divide by 5. Okay. All right, now. So, can we try the next one now? The next one. Okay, this one is still the same now. But ratio number of cats to the number of rabbits to the number of hamsters. Same thing, right? Is 1 is to 2 is to 3. Okay, so we are moving up now. We're moving to the next question. Can you try now? Question 2. Just give me one moment.
Beraja.
Okay, let us see.
Beraja.
Number of burgers to the number of cakes to the number of buns. Let us see. We have okay, Shalina, well done. Putra, well done. Putri, well done. What about Raidi? Raidi, have you done? 1, 2, 3. That's what the earlier one, right? Raidi, are you there? Raidi, where are you?
Sure, is it
Raidi,
12 is to 8 is to 16?
Yes, correct. But you are not. You can reduce it down, right? So your answer is correct.
Oh,
so
can
now how
divide
to
by
reduce it?
can divide by 2, right?
Yeah, yeah. No. But why don't we look at the groups? You see each group down here. Can you see now how many groups are there? Okay, Akil, you see how many groups are there? Can you see now how many? You tell me how many groups are there, Akil? How many, Akil?
There's
Akil. How many burgers? How many rows? How many groups? 1, 2, 3. Cakes, how many groups, Akil? 1, 2. Akil, you're not paying attention, 2. Then buns, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can also group it up and then go according to group. But you must make sure inside each group is the same number. So this one 4, this one 4, this one 4. You can group it. This is like dividing by 4 lah. You see, there's now Akil mentions 12 is to 8 is to 16. So when we group it into groups of 4, it's actually dividing by 4. See, I divide by 4, I get 12 divided by 4, I get 3. 8 divided by 4, I get 2. 16 divided by 4, I get 4. Can you see? When you are reducing it, that means you are grouping it up. So you try the next few. Try the next few. Or is it the same? It's the same. Okay. We move on to the next one. Sorry. Move on to the next one. Okay, this one. This one. You give the simplest form. Okay, this is your last question. Simplest form, all 3 numbers must be able to divide by a number.
Sir, is A 3 is to 7 is to 11?
Congratulations, Mr. Akil. Okay, don't tell the answer for the rest. He says 3. What do you divide it by, Akil?
2.
2.
Oh, well done. Divide by 2. Now we're going to ask Putra. For B. What's the answer for B?
Can be divided by 3 equals to 9, 4, 10.
9, 4, 10. Well done.
Thank you.
And the very last one we ask Mr. Raidi.
Thank you.
What's the last one? How?
763
Oh.
divided by 8. Divided by 8.
Divided by 8. So what do you get?
763.
7, 6, and 3. Well done. So is it easy or difficult? This is just the beginning, okay? Quite easy, yeah? Hard. Some say hard, is it? But you got it correct. You say hard. Okay, we see whether we can do a last one. A last one question. Question C. Anyone?
Times 4.
Okay, so what's the answer for the first one?
12.
12 is to 20 is to
44. 44.
So how do we read this? 12 is 2. This one we read as is 2.
Why do you need the dot?
This is just the sign to show it's a ratio. So once you see this, you know it's ratio. A ratio. You see this, you know it's ratio. But they need to have
ratio and fraction is the same, right?
Similar in some areas, but you certain time. Yeah, but certain things are different.
Yeah.
So later on, I'll show you. Next week, I'll show you the difference. So this one, 12 is to 20 is to 44. All right. So we'll continue again next week. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Please come again. All right. Okay. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.
Waalaikumsalam. Bye bye.